Smart Rapper Gang.
What up, Smart Rapper Gang? Great video, and I really want you to pay attention during this video because it's going to help you understand something, okay? This video is about why a lot of rappers grind or work their ass off, but they never make it, okay? This is why somebody will be a rapper for 15 years, but they'll never make it, okay? Because it takes more than that, but we're going to get into that today, all right? I'm Rob Level, this is Smart Rapper. You're about to get smarter right after the intro.
I do this full time, bitch. I do this full time. Every day. Stay up on my grind, bitch. All day. Stay up on my grind. I do this full time, bitch.
So the reason a lot of rappers will grind their ass off, but they don't make it is, here's the thing. You can work for years. You can work your ass off, okay? But for instance, let's say you work at a construction job. You do your job exceptionally well. You're making $30 an hour. You're doing great. Here's the thing. You're still doing the same fucking job for 15 years. If you keep doing the same thing for 15 years, you may be doing pretty good, making $30 an hour, but it's not gonna lead anywhere else because you're doing the same things. Okay, you can't keep doing the same things. As an artist, as a creative, as an individual that wants to be successful and make it to the next level of life, and this applies to everything in life, not just your success in business or your career, but as an individual, you have to consistently be looking at your weak points and trying to make them better, and taking your strong points and making them even stronger, okay? Because you can't keep doing the same things. You keep doing the same things over and over. You've heard that Einstein quote, or I don't know if it's Einstein or not. It's insanity to keep doing the same thing and expect different results. And that is the realest shit you've ever heard, because you're not gonna get anywhere. Like right now, maybe you've been doing the same things over and over again, but has anything grown for you? Have you gained any fans? Like maybe because you haven't changed what you're doing. If something's not working, you have to change it. And a lot of artists don't do that. They think, I'm gonna release this new album or this new EP or this new mixtape and it's gonna work for me. Here's the thing, I know motherfuckers drop 10 mixtapes. You ain't never heard of them. And the only reason I heard about them is because I actually stumbled onto them, and then I said, you got 10 mixtapes? Why I ain't never heard of your ass? Why don't you have any fans? Because you didn't do anything but just make the music. It's not just about making music, okay? It's just as much about becoming an artist, building your brand, having a marketing plan, having a marketing strategy, building your network up, building your resources, getting money to invest in yourself, or finding ways to get money to invest in yourself, or getting financial investors, which most big artists have, even though you don't realize that, okay? Like, it's about a lot of factors, and a lot of people think it's just about making songs. If it was that easy, we'd all be huge right now. We'd all have a lot of fans. You probably have songs right now that you know are great songs that you've made, but you don't have any fans. Because why? Because they haven't heard it. That means you have to promote it. And a lot of people think, this is actually a huge problem a lot of artists have, is they'll spend more time making the song than they spend promoting, okay? And this is something I really want you to understand is, as soon as you finish a song and you release a song, your only job now is to market the fuck out of that song until it gets heard. If you truly believe in the song, you market the song. That's all there is to it, right? No one's gonna hear it unless you market it. No one's going to hear it unless you market it. You have to market it day in and day out and try every single thing that you could possibly do to get that song heard, because if no one hears it, it's like it didn't exist and it's like it never fucking happened. Okay? That's how it is, right? Spend more time marketing the song than you do creating the song. You should be spending like 3 months marketing a song as best as you possibly can before you move to the next one. The next thing I have to mention to you, which is fucking essential, please pay attention. Look, the only way you're gonna get to that next level is to have momentum built, okay? And when I say momentum built, I mean you release a song, you gain some fans. These people are paying attention to you right now. You move to the next level, more people paying attention to you. Then you move to the next level, and then there's more people, because you're trying to get everybody to talk about you more and more. But here's what happens, right? You release a single, right? You release one song, boom, you get a song, there's 10 people listening to you. Friends and family, don't matter, it's still 10 people who would potentially spread this to 20 people, right? But then you don't drop a song for 3 months, 6 months. They forget. They think you ain't even releasing music anymore. You have to be consistent posting, consistent content on everything that you have, consistently releasing songs. And I'm telling you, this is from personal experience, okay? My first mixtape got 50,000 downloads on Dat Piff because I built a massive amount of momentum. I spent a year, I was dropping songs like every month, and then I was pushing them, but I was doing some sideways shit, anything I could do to get that shit heard, and with no money, And I was marketing everywhere, anywhere, talking to everybody, staying up to 4 a.m. and then waking up to go to work at 8 a.m. Like I was doing anything I could to get hurt. And I built a really strong fan base. And then when I already had a shitload of fans. And then, I mean, you could tell, like I had the song called They'll All See, and I had like 50 different fans holding fan signs in that video, and that was about 3 months before Black and Yellow. I did a Black and Yellow remix, and that got 5 million views on it. So I had all this momentum. And then when I had that momentum, I released a Black and Yellow remix, and it just exploded, okay? Because I got to the first page, because everybody was watching it. I stayed in the algorithm. Everybody's watching, everybody's spreading it. I was getting 20,000 to 50,000 views a day on that fucking thing, okay? Imagine that. And those were real fucking people coming because they'd search Black and Yellow, then they'd see my remix, and I gained all those fans from that. But I already had a fan base. Without having built and established that initial fan base, when I released that remix, no one would have watched it and it wouldn't have got to that spot. So that was a momentum boost. And then I had my mixtape released, and all those people went and downloaded my mixtape. Everybody knew who I was, right? I was popping, I was killing it. You wanna know where I fucked up? You wanna know where I really fucked up? How I fucked myself? Right when I blew up, haters come out of nowhere, and it's a lot to take on thousands of people talking shit about you. Now I can deal with it, right? Then could not deal with it. I was angry. I'm like, y'all talk shit on the internet, I'll smack you in the face. Let me see you in person. I was like, you know what I'm saying? Like, you get angry motherfuckers, right? Like, but yeah, that's how people are though, right? Number two, I wasn't posting statuses on Facebook. I wasn't posting pictures of myself because I thought it was weird. I wasn't posting new music because I was like, oh, well, I got all these people, they're gonna listen to me forever. That's not the case. You gotta keep going. I didn't release another project for like 1.5 years. That fucked me. You have to be consistent. If you could release that's why right now I know this. I've learned from my mistakes. Song a month, video a month, marketing strategy every month, pushing everything, just push, and don't you fucking dare fucking stop. And yeah, it took me a long time to get to the point where I had the resources to be able to initialize and do this plan and back up enough money to be able to push everything for 6 months no matter what the fuck happens, okay? And you may not be in that point right now, you probably not. This took me a very long time to get here, but the least you can do is song a month, okay? Push them out there, market your ass off. Go to work, when you get home from work, dedicate 1 hour to marketing every day. You're gonna gain at least 5 to 10 fans, okay? At the end of the month, you get 300 new fans. Why are you not doing this already? Momentum. Push harder, keep pushing, make a plan, release songs. It's about momentum, okay? And again, we're still on the thing of why artists don't blow up. They don't blow up because they never look at the things that they made mistakes on and try to grow or strategize, okay? The only reason I've consistently grown is because I try different things. I've released 1,700 videos on the internet. How many of you released? And this isn't a competition. I'm just saying, that's a lot of videos. I got 500 on Vimeo. I got 700 plus on this channel. I got 500 on my other channel. And then, no, wait, I have more than that. I have other channels. Think about that, 1,700 videos. And I'm still not massive yet. But I've released 1,700 videos. I have 7 albums. I've written over 5,000 songs. I have song placements with major artists. You still have to keep going. You can't stop. You have to try everything. What's going to work? You have to try everything. Everybody's path is different. No one's path is the same on this road to success, okay? And we talked about this many times. Some artists get pulled in because they're buddies with somebody that's big. And that's generally the only real fast way in that motherfucker, okay? Anyways, I just want to give you guys this video. Momentum. I hope this inspires you, motivates you, sets a fire in your ass. I want you guys making music. I want you guys getting better. When you're making more music, you're getting better. You're developing, okay? Assess your things that you're doing. I made a video about this last week. Assess your things to become a better rapper. Look at what you're doing. How can you be better? But the same thing goes for your strategy and your marketing, okay? You can do this, but you have to want to be better. Don't keep doing the same things. Try other things. You got this. You just became a smarter rapper. I'll see y'all tomorrow.